Trading crypto with Bybit is tempting, but if you're in the US, can you actually join the party? Let's get right to it. First, the straightforward answer. Officially, Bybit's terms of service generally restrict access to users located in the United States. That means standard account creation for US residents isn't typically permitted. Trying to sign up with a US address or US identification will likely be blocked, as Bybit implements Know Your Customer, or KYC, procedures to verify user identities and comply with regulations. This restriction is due to the complex and evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies in the US, which Bybit must navigate to avoid legal issues. Keep in mind that this information is for educational purposes only. You should always consult official Bybit resources and legal professionals for the most up-to-date and accurate guidance. You might see some users discussing using a VPN to bypass restrictions, but using a VPN to access Bybit from the US violates Bybit's terms of service and could lead to your account being suspended or terminated, and we strongly advise against it. So, the bottom line is, while Bybit's a no-go in the US, there are plenty of great use regulated crypto exchanges out there that you can explore for your trading needs. Happy trading!